Hello, Skill Harbors. Welcome to Upskill, the place where we ignite knowledge, fueling success. In case you missed it, please refer to Part 1 of the video for better clarity and understanding. A career as an automotive cybersecurity specialist can be an incredibly rewarding and lucrative path. This field is rapidly growing, and there are numerous opportunities available to those with the right skills and experience. The first step in beginning a career as an automotive cybersecurity specialist is to gain a thorough understanding of the industry and the specific challenges that it presents. This is best achieved by obtaining a degree in automotive domain, computer science, cybersecurity, or a related field. Once you have established a strong foundation in the field, you can start pursuing certifications to demonstrate your expertise and enhance your career prospects. Relevant certifications include the Certified Automotive Cybersecurity Professional, CACP, and the Certified Automotive Cybersecurity Manager, CACM. In addition to education and certifications, it is important to stay up to date with the latest trends in the automotive cybersecurity industry. This can be accomplished through attending conferences, reading industry-specific publications, and joining relevant online discussion groups. Once you have established a base of knowledge and experience, it is time to start looking for positions in the field. Automotive cybersecurity roles can be found in a variety of organizations, from large corporations to small startups. It is important to research potential employers to ensure that the job aligns with your skills and interests. With the right education, certifications, and experience, a career as an automotive cybersecurity specialist can be both rewarding and lucrative. With the right attitude and dedication, you can become a highly sought-after specialist in this rapidly growing field. Stay up to date on the latest advancements in automotive cybersecurity. Technology is constantly evolving, and automotive cybersecurity is no exception. Make sure you are taking the time to stay informed on the latest techniques, tools, and protocols that the industry is using to stay secure. Network with other professionals in the field. Networking is a great way to stay informed about the latest happenings in the automotive cybersecurity industry. Reach out to other professionals in the field and build relationships. This will help you stay informed and build your own expertise. Familiarize yourself with the latest security standards. Automotive cybersecurity is a highly regulated field. Make sure you are familiar with the standards and guidelines that apply to the industry, like ISO 21434, UNR 155, UNR 156, and many more. This will help you understand the security protocols and best practices that you should be following. Invest in continuing education. Continuing education is a great way to stay current on the latest advancements in automotive cybersecurity. Consider taking classes or online courses to stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. Develop a strong understanding of the automotive industry. Automotive cybersecurity is a complex field, and it's important to have an understanding of the underlying automotive technology. Take the time to learn about the industry and the technologies that are in use. Have a strong understanding of the legal and ethical implications. Automotive cybersecurity is a highly regulated field, and it's important to understand the legal and ethical implications of your work. Make sure you are aware of the laws and regulations that apply to the industry. Develop a professional portfolio. Having a professional portfolio is a great way to showcase your expertise in automotive cybersecurity. Include your past projects and achievements and use it to demonstrate your skills to potential employers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech talk in simple terms. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe in the digital world.